Hi everybody, it's Miss Marion, and today I would like to read a book to you all about winter. During fall, the days grow shorter and the weather gets colder. Slowly, winter arrives. Now here's something to try. Do you think the photograph on the next page was taken in fall or winter? Can you really be sure? It's kind of hard to tell if it's fall or winter, but I don't see any snow on the ground. And where I live in Canada, when it's winter, there's snow on the ground. In winter, the sun does not feel very hot. We need to wear warm clothes when it's cold outside. So here's something to try. Some people put their summer clothes away when the weather gets cold. Which of these clothes might you wear in the winter? So you can see there's mitts and a hat and a bathing suit. You wouldn't wear that in the winter unless you're going to an indoor pool somewhere. A sweater, a t-shirt, maybe under a sweater. Definitely not shorts. You might need a scarf and you definitely need some long pants. Running and playing keeps you warm too, but you can tell it is cold if you can see your breath. So try this later. On a cold day, blow on a window pane. The cold glass will turn your breath into tiny drops of water. The same thing happens to your breath in the air outside. It's on a very cold day. And sometimes if you blow on the window, you can draw pictures. They don't stay very long, but it's kind of fun to see what you can get. Sometimes it's so cold outside that water freezes and turns to ice. Putting salt on roads and sidewalks helps stop people from slipping. When it's cold, rain is frozen. It falls from the clouds. It may fall as little lumps of ice called sleet or as snowflakes. So here's something you can try. It says under a microscope, all snowflakes have 6 sides, and each one is different. Draw around a plate on white paper and cut out the circle. Ask a grown-up to help you follow these steps to make your own snowflake. So you've maybe made snowflakes like this before where you cut out a piece of paper and make different designs. If the weather is very cold, the ground may be covered with snow all winter. Some sports and games can be played only when it is very cold. When you've been outside in the cold, hot food and drinks taste good and warms you up. Farmers need to feed their animals extra food to keep them going all through the winter. It is sometimes hard for birds and other animals to find food in winter. When ponds and puddles are frozen, it is difficult to find water to drink too. So this is something to try. In the winter, put some food and fresh water in a safe place on your windowsill or in a bird feeder, and watch quietly to see if any birds visit it. During winter, celebrations, candles, and lights cheer up the cold, dark days and remind people that winter can also be a time of new beginning. You can see where they're celebrating Christmas. For many people, the beginning of a new year is celebrated in winter. So another thing to try is to ask a grown-up to help you make a calendar of the year. Draw or cut out pictures for each month and be sure to mark the times that are special to you each year. So this is a celebration of Chinese New Year. Winter seems to last a long time, but even before winter is over, the first signs of spring can be seen. And that is the end of our story, talking all about winter. Thanks for listening, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.